That kung fu neck pop thing.
Oh yeah, neck pop, shoulder roll, settle in.
Yeah, it's just cracking as he turns his head.
Except for instead of the cracking, it's ting 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 ting.
Yeah.
Tink,
tink, tink.
It's metal and wood moving across.
Imagine the Terminator cracking it.
Yeah, basically
right.
the Terminator cracking its neck. Yeah.
It's wholeness of body. I gain 3 times my monk level and HP back, so it's
Nice.
24 points up.
Damn.
Nice.
What the fuck?
My bonus action, I'm spending a key point to take patient defense because I'm going to let
Nice.
this guy come at me.
Cool.
So he has disadvantages, or any attacks against me have disadvantage.
Okay. Remind me, please.
I will try.
I'll remember. Don't worry.